Credit cards can be powerful tools for building credit, managing finances, and even earning rewards. But without the right knowledge, they can also become a trap leading to debt and financial stress. In today's video, we're going to discuss some of the most common mistakes people make with credit cards and how you can avoid them. The first mistake is only paying the minimum amount due each month. Sure, it might seem manageable, but when you only pay the minimum, interest quickly adds up. Credit card interest rates are often high, which means a small debt can become huge over time if you are not paying it down. Instead, aim to pay as much as you can every month to keep that interest under control. Another common mistake is ignoring the interest rate. Each credit card has an APR or annual percentage, which is the interest rate you on any balance you carry over month to month. If your card has a high APR, it's going to cost you more to carry a balance. Before choosing a card, always check and compare APRs. And if possible, avoid cards with high interest rates unless you're certain you can pay off the balance every month. Maxing out your credit limit or using too much of your available credit can negatively impact your credit score. Lenders look at something called credit utilization, which is the percentage of your available credit that you're using. Try to keep this below 30%. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000, keep your balance under $300. High utilization can make it seem like you're struggling to manage your finances, even if you're paying off the full amount. Paying late is one of the easiest mistakes to make and one of the most costly. Missing a payment often leads to late fees, higher interest rates, and even penalties on your credit report. Consider setting up automatic payments or reminders on your phone so you never miss a payment date. Timely payments not only help you avoid fees but also boost your credit score over time. It might be tempting to open several credit cards to take advantage of rewards, but applying for multiple cards in a short period can hurt your credit score. Each time you apply, a hard inquiries added to your credit report and too many inquiries can lower your score. Instead, apply for one card, use it responsibly, and wait a few months before considering another. Many people don't take the time to read the terms and conditions when they sign up for a credit card. But it's important to understand exactly what you're agreeing to, including interest rates, fees, and any special terms like grace periods. This knowledge will help you avoid any surprises later on. Credit cards offer cash advances, but they're typically not a good idea. Cash advances come with very high fees and usually have higher interest rates than regular purchases. They can quickly add up and be difficult to pay off. It's best to avoid cash advances unless it's an absolute emergency. If your card offers rewards, be sure to understand how they work. Some cards have restrictions, expiration dates, or specific ways to redeem points. Ignoring these details could mean losing out on rewards that could have saved you money. Read up on your card's reward program so you can make the most of it. Closing an old credit card can affect your credit score, especially if it's an account you've held for a long time. The length of your credit history impacts your score, so closing old cards could make your credit history appear shorter. If there's no annual fee, it might be best to keep the account open and use it occasionally to maintain a healthy credit history. Finally, not checking your statements regularly is a mistake that can lead to missed payments, unnoticed fees, or even fraud. Review your statements each month to ensure there are no errors or suspicious transactions. If you spot something unusual, contact your credit card issuer immediately to resolve it. Credit cards, when used carefully, can offer incredible benefits from building credit to earning rewards. But by avoiding these common mistakes, you'll keep yourself out of debt and on track for financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.